Most small businesses, they don't even realize how much money they are losing out every single day just because they aren't answering their phones. And that's exactly where this one simple AI tool comes in. It's the same tool that total beginners are using to land their very first paying clients, even with no marketing experience, no tech skills, and no upfront money. This one missed call text hack solves the #1 problem that small businesses face. When someone calls and the phone doesn't get picked up, that customer is gone for good. But with this AI tool, the customer is gonna get an automatic text back, so conversations don't slip through the cracks. This is the exact business model that I've been showing others how to start, and it's the same one that I use personally to bring in a nice daily income working online from home. And just so you know, I don't have any course or high ticket coaching program to sell you. All I ask for is if you like this video, just share it with a friend, drop a comment below saying that you've done it, and I'm going to send you a private link to get access to my full step-by-step course, all the scripts and templates that I used and that you'll need to set this up, all for 100% free. So before I dive in and actually show you how all of this works, let me quickly just recap what makes this so powerful. So essentially what this is, it's a plug and play system. Everything is already designed and coded and built out for you. You don't need to know how to code. You don't need to do any fancy pictures or run any ads to get clients for this. It's just a one-click feature that makes these businesses save a bunch of customers, which is going to make them happy enough to pay you every single month for this. Just stick with me. I'm going to walk you through the entire setup. I'm going to show you exactly how all of this works, and then you're also going to get my full setup for free. So essentially what we're going to be doing is working with local business owners, and we're going to be setting them up with this done for you AI automation software. This software, again, it's already pre-built, it's already coded. You don't need to build anything out yourself. And there are so many other features to this software, but in this video, I'm just going to be walking you through one of the most powerful features of this software called AI Missed Call Text Back. And it literally takes one click to set up. And then what we're going to be doing is selling this software to businesses for anywhere between $97 to $397 per month. And it doesn't matter where you are in the world, this feature works everywhere. And also realistically, you're not going to really be able to sell this feature for $397 alone. I've noticed personally the sweet spot is between $100 to $200 per month. Now just imagine if you got 10 clients on for even $100 per month. That is going to be $1,000 per month in recurring revenue, and this is all going to be profit. Whatever you make is yours. You're not sharing it with me, you're not sharing it with anyone else. It's all yours. Now let me explain why this is actually such a big deal to these business owners in the first place. So think of your businesses like plumbers, like roofers, construction companies, cleaning companies, barbers, salons even. They all miss calls while they are working. They might not have the budget or the money to hire a receptionist or an assistant to answer calls. See, statistics show that 62% of small businesses calls, they go unanswered. And that means every single day customers, they are moving over onto their competitors. They are moving over onto a different business. One missed call to these guys is one less customer. It's one less booking. Now it might not seem like a lot, but if you multiply that by a week, you will see the amount of calls and customers they are losing purely because they're not answering their phone. And the truth is, most of these business owners, they know they have this problem. They know that this is happening, but they either don't know how to fix it or they don't have the time to actually look into a solution. So that is where you can come in and you're going to sort all of this stuff out for them. Just think about how many businesses that you know, maybe even in your area, that miss calls. They all need this, but they just don't know it yet. So let me actually give you guys an example. Let's say you are in need of a very urgent plumbing service. You've got a bad leak in your house or something like that. What are you going to do? You're going to come over onto Google maybe. You're going to type in plumbers in wherever area. I've done Leeds, which is my city. So plumbers in Leeds. And if you actually look over here, so these are the sponsored businesses, the sponsored listings. So these guys, these two businesses right here, they are actually paying Google to be at the top of this list. But if I actually scroll down, so this is another sponsored listing, but then these ones under it, these are all the organic listings that are popping up because of their good reviews and stuff like that. Now, what is one thing you notice about all of these businesses on these lists right here? They have all got phone numbers on their profile. So let's say you are in need of an urgent plumbing service. What are you going to do? You're going to probably call this first business right here, Alternative Drainage Co. You're going to shoot these guys a call. Now, what if it's late? What if they are on a job? What if they might not even be online and they don't answer their call, their phone? What are you going to do? Because it's so urgent, you're going to be like, okay, I don't care, I'm just going to go to the next business. You're going to move down to this one, you're going to call this one. If they don't answer, you're going to call the next one and the next one until eventually someone does answer, right? Now, what does that mean to this business right here, this alternative drainage one? If you move over onto this one or whatever business, what does it mean to this business? It means that they've just lost a customer to their competitor purely because they didn't answer the phone, they didn't answer the call. So any possibility of this business working with you has just been gone. So this is the problem that these businesses face. Again, plumbers, roofers, builders, construction companies, any business that takes calls, they are all facing this problem. Now the solution is, and this is where you can come in and sell this feature to businesses. All you're going to do right here is head over to this AI powered software. Again, it's already pre-built, it's all made for you and designed for you. You don't need to code anything from scratch. All you're going to do right here is, I'm just going to move myself away. You're going to click on settings. You're going to head over to phone numbers. You're going to click on where it says advanced settings, voicemail and missed call text back. And then all you're going to do is make sure that this feature right here, enabled missed call text back, is checked on. And you can actually customize the message whatever you want it to say. So, hi, this is name of the business. I saw that we just missed your call. How can I help? You can change this to whatever you want. So what does this mean? What does this actually do? So if you call this business and they don't answer, instead of moving over to the next one, what's going to happen is this system is going to automatically shoot that customer a text, basically saying whatever is in here. It's going to restart the conversation and it's going to actually improve the chances of that customer going ahead with this business because of this simple automated text. Now, from the customer's point of view, they're not going to know that this is automated. It looks like a real human center. Again, you can change this to wherever you want. This tiny, simple automation, it keeps the customer engaged. So you're essentially giving these business owners a safety net that they don't have to manage themselves. It runs all in the background quietly and it's all automated. Now you might be thinking, how am I going to set this up for $100, $200, $300 a month? If you look at plumbers, their average customer is worth maybe $500, $600, right? If you were to even save these businesses 5 calls, 5 customers, that is a bunch of revenue they are making and it's going to essentially pay for itself. So that is literally, it's a 5-minute setup, but it's ongoing value every single day to these businesses.
Okay, really quickly, if you want everything pre-built, listen up. I'm talking fully ready-made websites that are already designed for you, the exact client bidding scripts that I use, the entire backend, all the automations built out for you, follow-ups, onboarding, already built, already tested, and already proven. You can import it all into your account in one click and you will be ready to go. This setup isn't just working for me, it's working for students who have never coded before, never sold before, and they still landed clients. And I have partnered up directly with Go High Level to offer you a completely free, extended 30-day trial to the software instead of the normal 14 days. There are no contracts, there is no risk, and you can cancel at any time. Just go to winwithsas.com or click the first link in the description and I will walk you through everything step by step. How to launch, how to get your first client, and turn this into a real monthly income. The system is built. All that is left is you.
So that is the entire system from start to finish. That is how the missed call text back feature works. It's one of the simplest but most powerful ways that you can help local businesses and get paid pretty much on autopilot. You're not having to run any ads or do any complicated sales pitches or build anything complex and crazy out. It's so simple. You're just giving business owners a way to stop losing out on money they were already spending to get customers in the first place. And if you want to set up all this stuff for yourself, all I ask you to do is like this video, share it with a friend, and comment done below. And when you do that, I will personally send you my full course, the templates, and the exact client winning scripts that I use, all for 100% free. It's everything that you need to plug this in and start getting paid.